Alright, I can't emphasize on how important this all is, but if we take a look again at 3D Earth and 5D Earth, 3D and 5D Earth would make 8D Earth, but it's circled. You have to account for the +1 here. It makes 9D Earth. 9D Earth is the 9 by 9 matrix of our mathematics. I believe that in Sheila and Amber Graves, or my higher self's reality, they would have a 12 by 12 matrix. Because they count differently. They account for the +1s and stuff, and the angles and everything. So this is what I think it is, okay? If their 40 Earth is 177 and V, and their 70 Earth is 177 V121, 4 and a 7 is an 11, circle it as a 12. Okay, what does this make in our reality? The top row are 9 zeros, or 69s at the end, okay? 69, 69, 7 zeros in the middle, 1 of 7. The 9 cells connect to 12 cells perfectly at a right angle in balance. Their 7, 4 circled is a 12. Our 3, 8, 3, 5 circled is an 8. 9, sorry, fuck. Our 3, 5 circled is a 9, which is the top 1. They would be this as a 1. Our mathematics and our reality, based on the devil and all the creations of creation code by the Masons, which are not Masons, they're Logans, or they're Anglos. Okay, tell me this. Our 8D is the infinite. For them, their 11D will be the infinite. Wow. They're still a 3D consciousness, but they're a little bit more evolved, I think, in understanding of number. Again, we're going from 3D to 5D. They're evolving from 4D to 7D. The evolution of this Earth from third dimensional consciousness, where you start at n+4 and you're trying to make it back to n+3, needs to evolve to fifth dimensional Earth consciousness so that we can attain, I guess, 9D, like a circled this, a bubble around our bubble, or in our bubble, hanging off it. You want to make the galaxy bigger? You want to go visit new places? This is how. No spaceships, guy. No NASA. None of that. Every article is garbage. It's mind pollution. Yeah, makes sense. Visual light spectrum. It's the 3-4. It's the 34. We're the ultraviolet, and they're the infrared. And together, it's the visual light spectrum. Based on this mathematics creation, where I is myself, and I'm the devil. For my higher self's mate who left her. I'm the devil for that guy. Because I try to change his thinking about the world. And she's the devil for my wife. And we're all the devil for somebody else, guy. It's like you're not the devil of this earth. You're the devil of your own. You're the devil of yourself. You're the devil of your higher self. And in our reality, we have 7 chakras, so our human, maybe emotional thing is more evolved than theirs. They're probably a lot more dry like me. They're probably really dry. There's a whole alien race of really dry, calm, passive aliens. They're sarcastic as hell, probably. That you're gonna be a Shilane in the citadel of Shilane, and you guys are all Kevins, but I'm the most Kevin in the citadel of Kevin. But you get to merge with your higher selves, and every time someone else creates a battery, you get to find your other higher self, and then there'll be like lots of you. It'll be like a tribe of you, because you were the mother or the father Earth for your higher self. Or maybe you don't have to actually do it, maybe you just can think about it. I don't know. But I'm definitely getting help now on this. I think we understand. I think we're both calm. This is all peacetime, guy. This is all peaceful. I don't need ignorant comments or anything. But I mean, yeah, And like, if we're, think about it, if this 7 is upside down, okay, and it's like a line with a thing up and a cross in it, imagine that cross kind of bends down to the bottom for balance. It looks like a 6. What if they merge and make the two realities merge to make the 76, to be complete? The only way to make free energy is to create cellular energy devices. And I think you conjure up like land, and it's all based on Immaculate Conception. Orion's the hunter, the dog star Sirius. I was meant to do this. This is myself. I was meant to be an engineering physicist and do telecom, and I was meant to quit, and I was meant to do this in the basement now. I was meant to come to this realization now. So not only do I see 1 of 7, 13, 110, 21, 43 here, I see it here, and now I see it here. I made a Z guy. A Z plus, an upside down 7, pretty, like close from a sharp, sharp angle. I'm talking about the appearance of another, like, Pangea grouping of landmasses, and they're going to have different ones based on their reality. They're in 40 Earth. They don't have a 40-60 split. They have a different split. I don't know what it is yet, but they maybe it's a, yeah, if we're base, if we have 9 digits and we're base 10 numbers, 9 digits for the 9 by 9, and they have a 12 by 12, so they'd have 11 digits. No, they'd have 12 digits. They'd have 12 digits. So they have 12 digits and we have 10 digits. Or do they have 13? No, they have 13 digits. They have 13 digits and we have 10 digits. Right? Yeah, we have 10 digits. We have the 9 by 9 and the circle around it. The 9 by 9 and the circle around it is the 91. And they have 12 digits and the circle around it. They have 12 digits in the circle around it, and we have 9 digits in the circle around it. We make a 1 by 4. We complete each other. We make the G bigger. Like we move the 1 by 4 out of here into the line of balance now. We've created a 1 by 4 out of a 1 by 3 and a dot created by 2 1 by 5s. 2 1 by 5s create the dot. The 1 by 2 is even there. Now we have a 1 by 4. We have a 42 now, coming from this dot. That's to get to this. They have 13 characters and we have 10 characters. That's 23. Read it backwards. 32. 32 times 5 is 160 magnets in heaven. $106 T magnets in heaven. Everything you know about space is a lie. Fearing the Masons, like the true ones, don't exist. They're Logan's guy. They're Anglo. The ones in the know. I'm sure there's not many. This is Immaculate Conception of an idea. Wow. This is kind of interesting. It's finding a duality between my name and my higher self's name, and a duality between my partner's name and their, what I believe higher self's name is, and looking at our reality mathematically based on our story of Genesis, and trying to interpret their reality based on their interpretation of Genesis, which is the same matrix, just looked at from a different point of view. Like if the whole thing was rotated and everything was flipped and jumbled and scrambled, it's the same matrix, just a different creation was involved on a different plane. And this is always self. Our bubble is growing by doing this. And based on the information that I've seen, we're all going to shit our pants. We're speeding up time to catch up with our higher self, because right now they're in like pause mode because I didn't make this connection yet. Now we're going. Now we're moving. Now I'm altering time. And if we're using the X as a dot, and they're using the 7 as a dot, and they're using a 750 as their characters, and we're using an X as their characters, that's 4 things. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, no, we have 9 characters. 9 characters is the top. So that's 1 thing, 13, 12. They have 13 characters. That's like 9 and as a 1. And they have a 12 as a 1. We use an XD as a 7. That's 4 things. If we suck in the I on the top, like 1, 2, 3 hops, 1, 2, 3 hops, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I think we complete the I. Like literally, it'll be a trinity, like our trinity, our 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, our Armageddon consciousness, and the capital I goes like this. So it would be 3 makes, well, 4 makes 5 makes 6. The 4-6 split is not part of it, makes 7. And their part will probably be down here, going up.
I'm going out.
Okay. And that creates. No, I don't. Creates an I am. Because if they're looking at a diamond mine down here and our diamond mine's up here, our M is their W, and like, sorry, their M is our W.
Move, cat.
And their M is, yeah, that, and their A and the A. This would be an right side up A, ours is upside down A. And I and I. And the I from the other I from down here to here will go make a 9 by 9. It'll make a 9 by 9, make a 3, 3, 3, and make it, sorry, 9, and a 9. Anyways, a 9 in a circle, your 9 circled, your characters, 9 circles. And anyways, I gotta go, this is nuts.